I checked my subs this morning. I've got 485. That's fantastic. You know, that's great. I thank all of you. And if you haven't subbed and you're a newbie, please sub. There's a lot of other people out there that share the same interests, okay? Today, we're going to do something new and interesting for veggie. I'm going to do grilled carrots that have been marinating in garlic, ginger, and a little bit of oil. Oh yeah, I can smell it. And I'm going to do a side of steak. Simple steak. Our grill is heated up. Look at that. Little ones to the front, because I'm going to turn them more frequently. Okay. Let those babies go. Okay. Now that the carrots are going, we're going to plop the steak on there. I'm going to put that in for 2 minutes. And then we're going to turn it. As you can see, the carrots are grilling just fine. You must keep turning them. Okay, we're going to take the carrots off after they're done. I like them crunchy, so I'm not going to cook them too much. I like to char them. Perfect. Look at that. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, you know what we're going to do? We're going to move our steak over a little bit. And that's cooking up nice. Okay, our steak is about 165. It's jumping between 164 and 165, which is perfect. That's what I like. Okay. Look at that. Medium well done steak with grilled carrots. Of course, the carrots have ginger, a little bit of oil, and some garlic basting.